For task number 10, we're going to be working more on identifying the gerunds, but also being able to explain why or how we know what job it's doing. So this one you're going to find in Google Classroom. All of the assignments that I post in Google Classroom are going to be given a due date that has passed already, and you are not going to freak out about it because I just need to have the date there so that when you submit it, I know that it's ready to be graded. Otherwise, I won't get a notification. So we know there's no set due date on any of these assignments. I'm only setting the due date in Google Classroom so that I get a notification when you're done with it. So number 10, identify the gerund or gerund phrases in the following sentence by underlining them. Tell how you know the word is a noun. So my first example says, some people enjoy jumping on a trampoline. You should recognize some of these sentences because they were on your quiz the last quiz that you took on number 9. So this is a good way for you to check your understanding of it. Some people enjoy jumping on a trampoline. So jumping on a trampoline is my gerund phrase. I'm going to highlight it and then click this U and it'll underline it. And now I have to explain, how do I know that that's a noun? How do I know what job it's doing? I know it's a noun because it follows an action verb, enjoy, and is the direct object of a sentence. And a direct object is a noun. It's one of the jobs of a noun. So you're going to go through the next one. Jumping is Kamani's favorite pastime. You're going to identify by underlining either the gerund or if it's with a phrase. You should double check to find like your verb, your other complements, just to make sure that you're underlining just the gerund or the gerund phrase if necessary. Okay, and then in here you'll type in your response. And then you'll see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for you to do. And when you're done, make sure you click Turn in Google Classroom. That's the only way that I'll know that it's done, so that I know to check it. I'll get a notification. As with any of these activities, if you get stuck, then make sure you ask for help.